Hello everybody, my name is Ashi Kumari and I am a first year BTech Biotechnology student here at Alliance University. And as a part of this program, I had been taken on a fully sponsored week-long immersive trip to Japan, where I got to present directly in front of the company that I had submitted my proposal for. So the company is called Ishihara Sangyo Kaisha, and I had submitted a presentation and a video pitch based on which I got selected. And the theme for this year was Digital Fields, Greener Yields. So they basically wanted a business model which would help them expand to India. So my idea is based on 3 pillars, namely soil to science, farm to tech, and crop to market. And this basically covers the entire farming ecosystem. The program included several official visits that gave us an exposure to the Japanese ecosystem. So we got the opportunity to visit 2 universities, the University of Tokyo and the University of Toyama. And at the University of Toyama, we had a cultural exchange event with the students, and this was also featured in a local Japanese newspaper. And then we also visited the METI office and the Indian Embassy, where we had the opportunity to meet Ms. Nagma Malik, who is the Indian ambassador in Japan. Beyond the official visits, the experience outside the boardroom was equally enriching. We got to experience everyday life and culture in Japan. We ate at convenience stores and we navigated through the complex transport systems in Japan. We got to travel through the Shinkansen and also the Tokyo Metro and the trams in Toyama. I experienced snowfall for the first time in Toyama, and I also got to witness Mount Fuji. Overall, I had a wonderful experience in Japan. I absolutely loved how humble, polite and respectful the Japanese were. Lastly, I would like to thank Alliance University and the CAN office, especially Charanjeev sir and Gopalakrishnan sir, for guiding me and encouraging me through the entire process. I would also like to thank JETRO and Acumen for conducting such a program. Words cannot express the gratitude that I feel in my heart. I'm so grateful and so thankful for this opportunity. I will definitely carry these learnings with me in the future. Thank you so much. Arigatou gozaimasu.